We'll answer this one. If triangle BOX is congruent to triangle CAN, the measure of angle B is 40, line CA is 7 cm, line CN is 11 cm. So what is the measure of angle of line BO? Okay, so i-draw muna natin yung dalawang triangle. Yan. So congruent yung dalawang triangle. Let's assume na congruent yung dalawa. So this is BOX or yung box. Ito yung CAN. Okay? Take note, yung angle B is 40. This is 40 degree. Line CA is 7 cm. Line CN, this line, is 11 cm. Ang question is, what is the measure of line BO? This line. So, ano to? So, since this is congruent triangle, so BO is congruent to line CA. So, yung CA natin is 7. So, therefore, yung BO natin is also 7 cm. Sa choices natin, letter B is the correct answer.